Let's take a look at how to start the Miele 5006 dishwasher. So you can see I've loaded up my Miele with all my dishes and I'm ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert my cleaning tab. I like to use the official Miele Ultra tabs. I find they do a great job and they do have the rinse aid built in. So make sure your hands are dry before you do this. We're going to grab the little tablet and we're going to put that directly into the holder on here. Now I'm going to close this. I just need to give it a solid push. It'll click into place. Then I'm going to close the door on the Miele. Now I need to power it on. I'm going to press the power button here. Now I find I sometimes need to press this a couple of times to get it working. But there we go. You'll see the display is going to light up. Now I'm going to select my cycle. I tend to like the quick cycle. The quick intense wash on the Miele 5006 is one of the best features of it. It can clean just as well as a long cycle on a traditional dishwasher in only about an hour. But if you need to sanitize, for example, if you're doing baby bottles or that kind of thing, you can use the Sani setting, use normal or the pot setting. Honestly, the quick intense is the best in my mind. And we're now all ready to go. It says we got an hour, and we're gonna go ahead and press this blinking start button. And as soon as I do that, this is gonna get going. And that's how we use the Miele 5006. Overall, a great dishwasher.